how to make your email public on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your email public on Messenger Lite. First, and let's go to Messenger Lite, and here just click this settings icon in the top corner, and now go down. Here you will find the account settings, click on it, and then just click personal information, and now click contact info, and then select your email, and now just click here, this one who can see this email, click on it and click public, and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.